you for buying this 10164 baking pan that is 18 by 26 inches from Fixture Displays. So 26 by 18 and depth is 1 inches. It's made from 1060 aluminum. The aluminum thickness is 1 millimeter. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. This pan works perfectly with our baking pan rack 10163. In addition, we also have a 18 by 13 size that you can put 2 of those on this rack. Any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.